converting images to PDF files. Whether it's a photo, a document scan, or any image you need in PDF format, I've got you covered. So let's jump right in. So this is the picture that I want to convert into PDF. So as you can see, it is on JPG format. Now if you're on a Windows PC, you've got a built-in feature that makes this process a breeze, but I'm gonna show you other ways. Well, you can open your preferred web browser. For this, I'm gonna be opening Google Chrome and type in Google Docs. Now tap on the Google Docs. Here you need to tap on blank document. Then it will give us a blank canvas. Now all you need to do is copy the picture and paste it on the blank document. Here you can also resize the picture by double clicking on it and dragging onto your preferred size. After you've done resizing your picture, tap on File, which you can see in the top left corner. Then click on the download option. Here you can see various formats. Since we're gonna turn it into PDF, then tap into PDF. And there you have it, folks. Converting images to PDFs. It's that simple. No matter what device you're using, I hope this tutorial helps you out. If it did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome tutorials.